Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your AMEX Credit Cards account. Watch the video till the end to log into your AMEX Credit Cards account. Firstly, open your Google search, type in AMEX Credit Card Login, and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of AMEX Credit Card. Enter your user ID and password associated with your AMEX Credit Card account, and tap on Login. Click on Remember Me if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password options. If you don't have an account, tap on Create a New Online Account option. This is how you can log into your AMEX Credit Card account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.